What is going on, everybody? So today I want to talk about Klima Dao, specifically Unstacking Klima Dao. I'm pretty sure there's 100 of videos on YouTube showing you how to stake Klima Dao, but I'm wondering if anybody else having a problem unstaking Klima Dao. So I'm just gonna walk through what I'm experiencing right now, and if somebody have a solution, feel free to let me know in the comment box below. I would really appreciate it. But I don't have much. I just have 1.1 Klima staked. As you can see, I was trying to unstake it and it just kept on say loading, loading, but nothing happened. So what I did was I went to see it says pending. So what I did was I went ahead and cancel this. So let me go and cancel this transaction. And the way you do this is by going to settings, click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, scroll down to where it says reset account. Now don't worry, once you hit reset, it's not gonna reset everything, okay? It's just gonna reset your transaction that are currently pending, okay? So I have a transaction that's pending right now, which is this one right here. So let me go ahead and clear that out. Go down to settings, go to advanced, then reset account, then I'll hit reset. So now we did that. I'm gonna go back into my MetaMask Polygon mainnet, and as you can see, it cleared out, right? And I got Couple-O-Matic for gas transactions. So now let's redo this again and show you the problem that I'm experiencing. And if somebody have a solution, please feel free to let me know. So let me go hit unstake. So I want to stake the whole unstake 1.14. Click unstake. And what I do is I actually increase the gas limit. So if it starts with an 8, I'll take that out. I'll put a 9. Gas price 30. I'll take that out, and I put I just said 50, right? And I hit save. Custom nuance. I'm gonna put this at 50. Matter of fact, let's go above and beyond. Let's do 100. It's really like few cents. You see, I'm only paying maybe a penny or two. So let me hit confirm. It says confirming, pending. So it's been doing this for damn near an hour. So is there something that I'm doing wrong? I really trying to figure this out. So if you're experiencing this problem and you know a solution, please feel free to let me know in a comment below. I really appreciate that, okay? And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Till the next video, guys. Peace.